Hey everyone, welcome back. So today's video topic is how to connect your Bluetooth speaker with your Android phone. This is a speaker I have. So let's start the video. First, you have to switch on the speaker, then enable Bluetooth mode by pressing the Bluetooth button on your speaker. So this is a button I have in my speaker. So first you have to enable the Bluetooth mode on your speaker. Okay. And after that, in your Android phone, you have to open settings. So click on settings. After that, click on this option connections. So click on it and this will show you the Bluetooth option. Click on it, then enable the Bluetooth. So this will try to search your Bluetooth speaker. Wait for a few seconds, and this is the Bluetooth speaker I have. Click on it. Now it will take a few seconds to pair. Click on pair, and after that your phone will connect it with your Bluetooth speaker. So this is how you can connect any Bluetooth speaker with your Android phone. This is all for the video.